Hello students, I hope you all are fine at your homes. So we are going to start with the new topic, that is human eye. Chapter 17 we are going to discuss, that is human eye topic. So we all know what is human eye, that is the part of our body which help us to see the things, which causes sense of vision and sight, due to which we are able to see our surroundings, right? That is the human eye. So it could also be compared with the camera, that is camera also help us to capture the pictures, but it could not capture the pictures, but it can help us to see the things, right? So let us start with the structure of human eye beta, that is structure of human eye की अगर हम बात करें बेटा, it is in weight it is 7 grams only and 2.5 centimeter length it is having. And obviously the megapixels, we talk about the pixels, it is 576 megapixel kind of part which help us to see the things. So it is almost spherical in shape beta, and it have interior parts which are very important for image formation. So one by one we are discussing about all those structure, all those parts. So first is sclera. Sclera is a whitish part that you see on the outside of the eyeball, जो हमें दिखता है white portion of our eye which is visible to us from outside, that is sclera part. Next is cornea. Cornea is a transparent front covering of the eye which have only nerves and no blood vessels. You can see this is the cornea part, and this is transparent. Transparent is because light enters through the eyes through this, and it allows all the light to pass through it. So this is cornea, which is in the front of the eyes. Next comes the iris. Iris is a circular band beta which is of muscles, and it controls the size of pupil. Now you must be wondering that what is pupil. Beta, pupil is a hole in the center of the eyes from where light enters the eyes. So the blackish band of black color, or blackish it could be, or brown it also is, that is known as, this I am talking about, this is blackish जो हमें बैंड दिखता है of muscles inside the which is surrounded by sclera, whitish part, that is iris. Clear? So blue, some people also have blue eyes, that is because of the minimum pigment in the eyes, and some people are having brownish eyes also, that is because of the maximum pigment which is there in the iris. Clear? Next is the pupil. Pupil, though habita, it is a hole which is in the center of the eyes which allows the light to pass through it, and light enters the eyes through the pupil. Clear? And the pupil ka size could vary with the amount of light entering the eyes beta, like if the maximum light is there which is being emitted from the light source which is in front of us, so in such case the pupil ka size becomes minimum. And in case of light, in case of there is no light or the room is much dim, so in such case, or in case of dim light, in such case the pupil expands to its maximum extent, so that maximum light can enter our eyes and we can see the things around us. Next is the lens, that is convex lens is there, which is a natural lens which is present in our eyes and act as a converging lens and forms a clear image on retina. And it forms inverted image on the retina because convex lens in most of the cases form virtual, and that is, it forms a real and inverted image on the retina. Here next is ciliary muscles beta. These are the muscles which hold the lens properly, and they are responsible for change in shape of the lens in case we are to see distant objects. In such cases बेटा इसकी पोजीशन रिलैक्स हो जाती है, एंड इन केस वी आर सीइंग एट अ नियर बाय ऑब्जेक्ट तो लेंस की जो शेप है इट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स. क्लियर? दिस इज द लेंस विच इज प्रेजेंट ओवर हियर. Next is retina. It is the back portion of our eyes which act as a screen on which image is formed, and this retina is composed of many types of cells like rod cells and cone cells. Rod cells are better responsible for the black and white color, and the colorful things which we see, they are only visible to us because of the cone cells. Clear? So next is optic nerve beta. Optic nerve is the nerve which carries message from the brain, from the eyes to the brain for for identification of the object. So these are the parts of the eyes which are important for us. So see you in the next class, students. I hope this is clearly understood to you all. Bye bye.